I'm gonna try Mailbox's tongue twister again. 7 special silver stamps. 7 special silver stamps. 7 special silver stamps. Yeah! 7 special silver stamps. 7 special silver stamps.
A clue!
A clue? You see a clue? Where?
Right there!
All I see is his grandfather clock. Oh! The grandfather clock is a clue! We just found another Blue's clue. You know what to do. Let's put this grandfather clock in our handy dandy notebook. Okay. A grandfather clock. First, a square. Then 2 lines down. A rectangle at the bottom. A squiggly line on top. A circle for the face. Lines for the hands. A line here. And a circle. And there. A grandfather clock. So, we need to figure out what Tickety's favorite nursery rhyme is. And our first clue was the number 1. And now our second clue is a grandfather clock. I think we need to find our last clue to figure this out.